So change the rear brakes on a 2012 Audi A6 with the electronic parking brake. As you can see, the brake light is lit up and it says it in the screen as well. So in order to get the brake caliper to go back, you need to have some type of scan tool, and I'm using this one right here to this Audi scan tool to go into the maintenance function. So what you would do is you would click on that, and then you will see what says electronic parking brake. You click that and it's established in the system. Ignition is on, hit OK, release the electronic parking brake, which it is already released, and then it's going to ask you start brake pad change, open brakes immediately, change brake pads, and brake pad change, close brakes. So you would, right now we're about to change the pad, so we're going to hit 1, and then it's going to say next, the brakes are completely open. As you can hear, kind of you hear the motor releasing the brakes. And once you do that, you can just, now you take the wheel, take the pads off. When you finish, you'll come back here that says in brake pad change, and it'll close the brakes up. But for now, we're about to do this brake change, and I'll get back with you guys in a second and show you this. So now we got the tire off, as you can see, and this is your brake sensor right here, and it plugs in right here. And to get that off, you just gotta stick a screwdriver in here. On this with one hand, so it's pretty. Once you stick the screwdriver in here, it should come off. Well, hold this. Hold it right there. Stick the screwdriver in here. It should release this. It's kind of tight right now. And it comes off, and then you can slide, just take your sensor off right here. Just, like I said, you can take this off, you gotta twist it. You got a little notch here, you gotta push it in, twist it, and it should slide out. Then you got your piece here, your cover. Take this cover off here. Sensor should come out here like that. Well, don't matter. It broke off, but we don't need it. We got the new one. And then we'll take these back brake pads off, and I'll show y'all what happens after that. So once you loosen, you need a 15 millimeter to hold this. So basically, it's the same as the top, 15 to get this bolt to come loose. So you hold it here. Put your ratchet on here. I already broke it loose some, so, and then you hold that bolt. Pretty much get out. To remember, the big one goes at the top with this big, I don't know what it's really for, but it must serve a purpose. And then your brake caliper is off. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Set it down. You can remove your brake pads. As you can see, these are down to the wire. No meat. So I'll change these out, put the new ones on, and keep it moving. All right, so I'll get back with y'all in a minute. So once you got the e-brake released, you're still gonna have to use a pushback tool. It's not a spin back for this, so you're gonna, as you can see, I'm pushing the caliper back. You see the caliper going in. You can see that caliper going in. Push that back, and it's all the way in. Just release your clamp. C-clamp. Boom, your caliper back, and set that like that. I'm actually on the other side, so I just felt like I'll go to this side and show you, show you guys what I'm doing on the other side as well. And like I said, the sensor on the other side is already in, so you don't need, it's not one on each side, it's just one on one side of the brake. And basically you got an extra sensor if you don't need one. This one came with 2 in the box, and just slide your brakes. And I put some I used some Disquiet. I sprayed it on the back. You could eliminate disc brake squeals, so I always use this right here. Got this from Walmart, so go grab you some. And we're gonna stick this baby on here like this. All right, we got that one in. Slip this down right here. Put that one in. It's a little tacky. I let it dry for a while, but it's still a little tacky, but that's fine too. And we're just gonna put this brake caliper back over these brakes right here. Boom. It's plain and simple. So you're gonna take your bottom bolt, stick it in. Boom, take your top bolt. Remember, the fat one go up top. And you're done. I mean, hey. Now, all we gotta do is tighten it back up. And like I say, put your 15 over there, reverse that, put it on. Tighten that up. Boom. Put this one down here. Tighten that up. And we done. So now I'm gonna show you how to release the e-brake and get it out of the stage of brake change to brakes are done. All right, so see y'all in a second. Now, as you can see, the brake light is going off, and we're going to get this sun out of here. We're gonna end brake pad change, close brakes. Here, you can hear the caliper going back in, tighten it up, and we're all done. Everything is all the way done. You can see no more brake light is on. We'll clear this check engine code, see what that is first, and then I'm gonna clear that, and we're good to go. It says check brake fluid level, top off is necessary. So we hit OK. Pad change mode was ended successfully.